How to fix a Beko thumb dryer not heating? First, perform basic checks. So ensure the dryer is plugged directly into the wall. Clean the lint filter thoroughly after every load. For condenser models, remove and rinse the condenser unit at the bottom or back. Try a simple reset, that is to unplug the dryer for 5 to 10 minutes, then plug it back in and test on a high heat cycle. Now you can also reset the thermal cutout, that's the thermostat, and many Beko dryers have a hidden reset button on the thermal cutout. Unplug the machine and remove the back panel. Verse more on some models. Locate the thermostat, usually near the heating element. Look for a small red or white reset button or a hole, and then press it firmly with a pen or screwdriver until you hear a click. Reassemble, plug in, and test on a high heat empty cycle. If the issue persists,